How many email signatures do you currently have? Just the one? You can actually have as many different signatures as you like and choose which one you want to use in each email. So it's ideal if you want to use a signature to promote a specific service or a product, for example. So to set up multiple signatures, click on the cogwheel in the top right corner and go to See All Settings. Scroll down until you get to the Signatures section, then click on Create New and give the signature a name so that you'll easily recognize which signature it is. And then click Create. And then it's just a matter of typing out the details in this section here using the formatting tools available here. Don't forget you can also include a link and an image if you want to. Once the details are in there, you can then just click on Create New and repeat the process for as many different signatures as you like. If you want to remove any of the signatures, click on the signature name and then click on the bin over on the right hand side here. And you can also edit the name of the signature here by clicking on the pencil. Underneath this, you have the option of choosing a default signature for new emails and also one for when you reply or forward emails on. Once you're happy with all the choices, scroll down to the bottom and click on Save Changes. So when you compose a new email now, if you want to choose a different signature to the default one, all you need to do is click on the pen icon at the bottom here and choose one of the signatures that you have there. And that's it. Job done. If you want to know how to set up your out of office, then watch this video next. Or if you're just after some more tips on Gmail, then this video here will be what you're after. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.